In this video, I will show how to reset the password and fingerprint. Now, this lockbox is based on the status of initial factory status. In this status, I can use any fingerprint to open it. Try another one. Open. Another one. Open. Any fingerprint can open it, but for the password, only initial password can open it. Let's try a random password. Cannot. Only initial one. Initial password is 1234#. Now when I open it, I want to reset the password. I have to do it. Let's find the reset key. This is the reset button. Press it. Then back to enter the password. This green light flash. Enter the new password. Twice again. Now the new password is set. Now the initial password is not working. Only can use the new password. And when I reset the password, fingerprint cannot open. Try this one. Cannot open. Now I want to reset the fingerprint. Let's open the box first. So, find the reset key. Reset key. Press it. And enter the password. Green light flash. We set the fingerprint 4 times. 3, 4. Set successfully. Now let's try the fingerprint. Open. When I set the fingerprint, other fingerprint cannot open. Only this fingerprint and the new password can open. New password. Okay, now I finished the resetting of the password and fingerprint. But if I want to clear all the settings of fingerprint and the password, how could I do? Let's find the reset key. Press it for over 6 seconds. The green light flashed 3 times. That means the system is restored. Now the system is restored. That means I can use any fingerprint to open it again. It's already back to the initial status, so I only can use the initial password to open.